Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to go over the Immunological and Endocrinology system. Immunocrinology is a branch of medicine that relates to the immune system. The immune system is what gives the body the ability to fight off bacteria and infections. Endocrinology works with the hormones found in the body, which is also very important to ensure that the body is growing and functioning in a proper manner. In this video, we will start on the General Examination Form Review of Systems panel. Click on the Review of Systems panel. The Review of Systems panel will expand. Click on the Immunological and Endocrinology subpanel. The Immunological Endocrinology subpanel will expand. Click on the image to open the video capture screen. The practitioner will be able to edit the provided image to make any necessary notes, such as pointing out all the problem areas of the patient. Click on the Close button to return to the Immunological Endocrinology panel. Next, we will go through the General Notes section within the screen. Click on the General Notes button once to indicate that notes have been made. The General Notes button will turn green, indicating that the patient is fine. Click on the General Notes button a second time, which will turn the button to the color red. The red indicates that the patient is not fine and there is vital information to take into account. Click on the General Notes text box to make any necessary notes. The General Notes field is a free text field. Please note that if the user clicked on the General Notes button for a third time, it will collapse all of the information within the text box. Click on the Close button to exit the clinical case screen and return to the diary screen without saving. Click on the drop-up menu next to Save and Close for more saving options. An explanation will be given for each option within the drop-up menu. By clicking on the Save button, the user is able to save the changes made to the form without closing the form. By clicking on the Save Lines to New Macro button, allows the user to create a new macro. Click on the Save and Close button to save the current general examination form. Close the clinical case screen to return to the diary screen.